Hey beauties, it is your girl, Jessica Nicole. And in today's video, as you guys can see, I'm starting off with my face fully done, and I did not do my eyes yet because today I want to try out two cut crease hacks that I saw a long time ago that I wanted to try on my channel and I totally forgot about it. So today I'm going to be trying out those two hacks because you know I love me a semi-cut crease. So let's see which one works out better, because that will help me not only with myself and doing my eyeshadow very quickly, but it will also help out with doing eyeshadow on my clients so that I could bust it out real quick. But before we get into these two hacks, I just want to say shout out to my notification gang. Alright, shout outs to y'all, and as I always say, be the first one to comment, or first two to comment notification gang inside my comment section, and you will be put in this video. Well, your comment will be put in this video. So let's just get straight into the video. Okay guys, so I'm not going to show like a full tutorial on like what I'm going to do as far as like my crease and everything. I'm just going to bust that out really quickly using my Soft Glam palette from ABH. So let me just speed through this eyeshadow look. I will also list down whatever eyeshadows I'm using in the description bar down below. And I'm going to come back and we're going to start doing this. Okay, so eyes are blended. I just did, of course, my crease and my lid. I'm not going anywhere. I just want to try these hacks. So the first hack I'm going to try is the eyelash holder hack. Basically what they do is they cut out, okay, can you get off my tweeter? Okay, so basically what they do is they cut out this area right here on the eyelash holder or the tray for the eyelashes, and they put whatever they're going to use to cut out their crease and they stamp it on their eye. Now, I've seen this a couple times and I'm scared of it because I know how my lids are. So I felt like me carving out my lid would be a better deal, but who knows? Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. I saw this on Instagram and I was like, hey. One thing I'm not liking with this is that it is super sharp. So it's not cool, but I'm just going to paint on my NYX white base onto the thing to stamp onto my eye. Now I'm not going to use my fingers to stamp it on just because my nails are long and I feel like that's going to get in the way. So I'm going to hold it with a tweezer. Hopefully that works. I don't know if this is enough. Like, how do I know enough is enough? Like, how do I know? I'm probably gonna mess this up, guys, and I apologize in advance if I do. Alright, so the white NYX base is painted on to the eyelash piece. I guess that's what you would call it. Alright. I don't know why I'm scared right now. Okay. Oh shoot. Okay, so this was a fail. It did do something. Alright. I ain't mad at it, but you know, I gotta work a little. Still gotta carve it out a little bit, which is okay, but you do get most of the carve out that you need. So that's cute. So let's just finish carving. Alright, so the first hack, I'm not gonna lie, it works. Because usually it would take me longer than this to cut out my crease. So I would do this. But the only issue is some people's eyelids are bigger. So would it work from bigger eyelids? That's the question. The other hack that I have been seeing is you put the base like close to your lash line, not on it, but close to it, and you look up, and it will basically stamp where you should cut out your crease. So let's see what that does. I don't think it could beat this, but let's see what it does. Alright, so taking some of the base and I'm putting it right around here. I think I did too much, but that's okay. I'm gonna look up. Okay, this is high. This is really high. Okay, let me put more because I'm not seeing much. Let's see. Okay. Alright, so this is, let's finish it. Let's just finish it. Just put, thank God I ain't going away and I'm taking this right off because look at my eyes. They're two totally different things. Alright, so I'm just gonna pop on some lashes just for the sake of the video, to be honest. You guys see this. I'm just gonna pop off some lashes and finish off my eye just to see what I get out of this. For the lip, I'm just gonna pop on my Fenty gloss just to pop it on because again, I'm not going anywhere and this is just for the sake of the video. So these are both hacks. Again, this side is the side where I stamped the eyelash piece, holder piece right here. And this side is where I looked to the ceiling to just map out my crease. Now, they're both cute. They're both helpful in a way. But this one is the only one that made my life much easier because you can still see my crease. I didn't have to do too much of anything to fix it. Meanwhile, this side, it maps out the crease, of course, but you still have to work towards getting a clean line and things of that nature. Also, I feel like it brung my cut crease up higher than I like it. So, yeah, and this one brung my crease a little bit lower than I like it. So, to be honest, neither one of them really helped me that much. But if I was to choose a method that would make everything go by faster, I would choose the little piece of the eyelash thing. So out of 10, I give this one a 4 because I really feel like it didn't do anything for me. And I give this one a 7 because honestly, all I have to do is stamp it a little bit higher and it'll be where I want it to be. So, but if you guys want me to try more makeup hacks, let me know in the comments down below. And let me know what kind of hacks they have out so I could try them out. Because, you know, we need easier makeup. You know? Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. My eyelash sticking together. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all social media. I love you guys so much. And I will see you guys in my next video.